What do you mean top up? I only filled you up yesterday. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on our 2002 Golf TDI wagon thing. It's the 130, it's our daily. And as you've seen from the intro, we've got a problem with the washer, the windscreen washers anyway. I have diagnosed this, I have ordered some bits, but I'll go through it with you. Hopefully it'll be helpful to you. Hopefully it'll be a real quick one and I don't waffle on too much. So let's get straight under there. So we're in the engine bay. This is the windscreen washer bottle, does the front and the back. As you can see, ours is totally empty and quite mucky in there. So I am going to take this out, give it a clean, and we're going to fix the issue. We do know what the issue is. Sorry, I've been in here already. Ultimately, for us, it's the seal that's on the bottom of the washer pump here. And if you know it's that, you can just pull this pump out. Don't pull it by the wires. You can grab the plug, pull it up gently, and then you can pop it out like that. And there you can see that little rubber seal just there. So you could replace it in situ. If it's not that that's leaking, it could be back there is the sensor. And if your light comes on the dashboard and you have got fluid in it, it's quite possibly that sensor. So you need to take, it's easier to take the bottle out to replace it, in my opinion. Anyway, so we have got some replacement rubber seals. We got them from Volkswagen, and there is the part number. I got 4 of them. So, and they are from Volkswagen, 99p plus VAT each. So I was looking on eBay and that, and they were they ended up being £4 or £5 posted each, or you could get multiple ones for £8 or something. So anyway, I just give them a ring, gave them that part number on there. They got them next day. So yeah, so we're going to change that, but like I say, we're going to take the bottle out. You could temporarily repair this by sealing that little rubber washer seal thing, but be really careful what you use. I mean, to get us by, we just put some high vacuum grease, excuse me, just around the spout of the pump, just to get us by. But if you use silicone seal or anything, if it gets into the pump, it will just block it. So be careful. Anyway, I've waffled on enough. Let's get this out. It's quite simple. There's a little plastic bolt there, which is 10mm, and down there, you see just there, hope you can, there's another little 10mm, and you've got to squiggle it out. I mean, we've already moved the pump, and there's a wire for the level sensor there. So let's whip those out, get it out, and then I'll show you what it looks like. And there we go, there's the mess. And we made a mess under there as well. But hey, here it is. Here's the bottle. That's the level sensor one. So we can see that one's dry, but that one just goes in on a washer. And there's our little seal in there, which we need to get out. Which should just pop out with a screwdriver. And obviously I've got to clean that out. So let me do that, and then we'll put it all back together again. We've got our tank all washed out, lovely jubbly. So we're going to replace the seal. Should be just get a screwdriver in there and pop her up. Famous last words. There. That's the old one. Got the new one. Just press it in. Now we've just got to put it back together. Right, so we've got to pop this back in, remembering to plug in the sensor. Ah, my torch! It's gone forever, that one. Where's that gone? Oh, we're going to have to go dark. So we've just got to finagle this in. filter in and the lid on, and that's us done. Just got to fill it up. Done. All done. I have put water in just for now, just in case I've left something off and we leak it all out, because I don't want to chuck screen fluid all over the floor, do we? That's it. Job done. Hope it was of some use to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. Look us up on Instagram, Larcs_workshop. And I hope to see you next time on another video or something. Who knows? Got a mowers here at the moment, but there you go. Cheers, Anne. Now, buggered this up already. Oh, we're sideways. Oh, I hate it when it does that. So we're in the